Hey, and welcome to this tutorial. Today we will be talking about how to snap like a pro, and discussing the 3 most useful shortcuts to make your life snapping easier. There are 3 main shortcuts for snapping: X, C, and V. I tend to use V a lot as it's kinda just a habit I've gotten into. The V hotkey is for vertex snapping. This allows us to snap, align any object or component to another object's vertex. To use any of these hotkeys, hold down the key, in this example let's use V, and then middle mouse click or drag to snap. Like with anything, have a play around yourself and it will start to make more sense. The shortcut C is for edge or curve snapping, which allows us to snap or align any object or component to a curve or geometry edge, which you can see if I hold down the C hotkey and middle mouse drag along an edge, or middle mouse drag along a curve. You can see how it's constrained. X is the hotkey for grid snapping, and that allows us to snap or align any object or component to the grid, which to be honest is super useful when you're modeling. So hold an X and then middle mouse dragging around the grid, we can snap, which is going to be equal to snapping in millimeters, centimeters, or meters, which of course you can specify and set in your preferences, which is why it can be so useful. Learning to align objects or components to another is essential and can really help you out as you model, and I hope this video gets you on your way. Well, thanks for watching, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like and subscribe buttons, come chat with me on the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.